Salve Populus. So we're doing the T7 off-road. Absolutely disastrous sleep last night because I forgot my sleeping bag. Didn't find one yesterday and the temperature plummeted. So we set off at 4:30 on Thursday morning. Thursday night I hardly slept, and this is first ride of the day. Absolutely knackered. Yeah, it's alright. Absolutely knackered. Oh, so I've gone for a lowered one to see what they're like. I'm going to be sat at the back. Craggy Lynn's down there, Exeter Rider to my left. I'm going to sit at the back, so if you want to go round me when we set off.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll do it on the gravel track or something like that. Yeah?
Alright.
Well, you're doing it now, you'll just go first.
Yeah, just go around me. Yeah, yeah. I forgot my sleeping bag, so last night, no sleep. So I'm just like taking it easy again today. So.
Fair enough.
Yeah, you're recording.
Yeah, I know. You have to give them a wave.
Oh, hello, wave. We've got about 20 minutes on these, 20 minutes to half an hour, depending on how people ride. It's got really hot again. It was freezing this morning, and you can't see it, but the sun is absolutely beating down on us right now. I'm just going to keep the ABS on for this. I'm taking it easy on this one. Royal Enfield Road Ride out. Oh, this feels nice stood up. I can never just get these bikes to just coast. It's a very comfortable standing position. God, shit, that fucking... It likes to go. Wasn't even ready to go then. I hadn't even put any throttle on, and yet it was like, yep, I'm off, boss. The pegs are lovely, and there's me again, not able to get a smooth acceleration while stood up. Oh, it's nice getting a breeze, which is alright, because last night I could have done with this heat. I just can't get the smooth. Once I roll off, I can't get smooth. Yeah, because whatever. Lovely suspension. Wasn't going to turn in that gravel. Gotta learn how to not grip, or how to grip. No, I've got to learn how to not grip when riding off-road, because my right hand is already aching. God, he's going some. Very comfortable riding position. Just letting the gravel take the bike and the bike take the gravel here. It's a lovely sounding engine. The gravel, let it go with the gravel. I just can't get the revs right at a constant. I'm either accelerating or I'm throttling off and then accelerating again. There's a big bump coming up somewhere. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Good suspension. Standing up just kills my hand. It's funny. I need to speak to somebody about how to stand and not hurt my hand. Realised that the accident I had a few weeks ago has actually quite knocked my confidence. Confidence. My risk appetite. Craggy's in quite a bit of pain today, so he wasn't going to be riding, but he is now, which is why he's on a much lower bike, because he can't get his hips over. So I hope he's alright on this. Oh, this wallows. This is nice. Amazing suspension. Jesus. Gotta remember where all the bloody holes are. It's a big one around there. Yep, there. And there. This is a lovely bike. Me lucky. Oh my god, what a bike! That was lovely. Interesting to see how well the engine brakes down here. It's a good trail there. I've actually done part of that, I think. Lovely bit of engine braking. Such a comfortable seat. I really like the motocross style of riding, I must admit. Look how busy it is. That's Honda behind us, doing the Transalp and Africa Twin. They're also doing the Honda CRF 300s. Oh, it's nice to get a bit of a breeze going. Very comfortable in second. Shit, that looked close. Thought he was going to go into the pond then. Not such a fan of the rear brake. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, Darren's swapping bikes. Yeah, just overtake people a bit. My mate Darren swapping bikes. I'm not sure. So I'm riding a Tenere T7. You know, the actual kind of the bare basic, but there are people riding the Explorers and also the Rally Raid. You can counter steer this one right, well, not counter steer, counter lean this one really nicely. It's hard to keep the distance because you don't want to get up someone's arse, but at the same time you don't want to lose it on the top bit. Oh, a little bit wide there, and it kills my hands to stand up. I need to get this sorted. Very comfortable, even when I'm using the brake at slow speed. Missed the gear. Epic skills there, man. Epic skills. Oh. like sitting on a boat or it's a sofa. Really comfortable. Not as comfortable as the Himalayan though, funnily enough. Way more comfortable than the CRF though. Good observation skills there.